Installing new windows in your home is an exciting upgrade that can improve energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and enhance comfort. However, the success of a window installation project depends heavily on the quality of the installation process. Improper installation can lead to costly repairs, decreased efficiency, and even structural issues. If you're planning to replace or install windows in Gilbert, avoiding common mistakes is essential. Here's a guide to the most frequent window installation errors and how to prevent them. Inaccurate measurements. One of the most common mistakes during window installation is taking incorrect measurements. Even a slight discrepancy can result in windows that don't fit properly, leading to drafts, energy loss, and moisture intrusion. How to avoid it? Always measure the height, width, and depth of the window opening multiple times to ensure accuracy. If you're unsure, consider hiring a professional installer in Gilbert who has experience measuring and installing windows. They'll ensure precise dimensions and a snug fit. Ignoring local climate conditions. Gilbert's hot and dry climate poses unique challenges for window installations. Using materials that aren't suited to the area can lead to issues like warping, cracking, or premature wear. How to avoid it? Select windows and installation materials designed to withstand extreme heat and UV exposure. Low emissivity, low E, glass, insulated frames, and weather-resistant sealants are excellent choices for homes in Gilbert. A local contractor will understand these needs and recommend the best materials. Skipping window sealing. Proper sealing is critical to prevent air leaks, water infiltration, and pest entry. Unfortunately, some installers neglect this step or apply sealant improperly, leaving gaps that compromise the window's performance. How to avoid it? Ensure that the installer applies a high-quality sealant around the edges of the window. They should also inspect the seal for uniformity and durability. Regularly check the seals after installation to maintain their integrity over time. Using incorrect or poor quality materials. Not all installation materials are created equal. Using subpar products, such as low-quality screws or frames, can jeopardize the stability and lifespan of your windows. How to avoid it? Work with a reputable window supplier or contractor who uses premium materials. Don't hesitate to ask about the quality of the materials being used for your project. Investing in durable materials up front will save you money and hassle in the long run. Improper flashing installation. Flashing is a protective barrier that prevents water from seeping into the gaps around your window. When improperly installed, water can infiltrate your walls, causing structural damage and mold growth. How to avoid it? Flashing must be installed carefully and with the right techniques to direct water away from your home. Hire an experienced professional who understands the nuances of proper flashing installation, especially in a desert climate like Gilbert's. Overlooking energy efficiency. Installing windows without considering energy efficiency can lead to higher energy bills and reduced comfort in your home. Many homeowners neglect to choose energy-efficient options or fail to consider how installation impacts efficiency. How to avoid it? Select Energy Star certified windows and ensure that the installation process minimizes air leaks. Proper insulation around the window frame is key. This investment will keep your home cooler during Gilbert's hot summers and reduce your cooling costs. DIY installation without proper experience. While DIY projects can save money, window installation is a task that requires specialized skills and tools. Attempting to install windows without proper knowledge can lead to costly errors. How to avoid it? Unless you have extensive experience and the right tools, it's best to leave window installation to trained professionals. They have the expertise to handle the complexities of the process and ensure a flawless result. Failing to check local building code. Ignoring building codes and regulations in Gilbert can lead to fines, delays, or the need to redo the project entirely. Some homeowners skip permits or fail to comply with local standards. How to avoid it? Research Gilbert's building codes and obtain any necessary permits before beginning your window installation project. A reputable contractor will handle this for you, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Neglecting post-installation inspection. Even after the installation is complete, some homeowners fail to inspect the work thoroughly. Overlooking this step can leave hidden issues unresolved. How to avoid it? After the installation, walk through the project with your installer. Check for gaps, uneven frames, or other potential issues. A professional installer should be willing to address any concerns and make adjustments if needed. Final thoughts. Window installation mistakes can compromise your home's comfort, efficiency, and structural integrity. By understanding common pitfalls and working with experienced professionals in Gilbert, you can ensure a successful installation that enhances your home's performance and value. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency or aesthetics, the key to success lies in careful planning and expert execution.